What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Untitled Solutions, and one of the most common questions that I've been getting lately is, what is it that I look for before taking a position? And this is a very broad question because we all know that there's a set list of criteria that I like to focus on, and I've shared it multiple times before. I have a bunch of videos on YouTube, over 1,000 videos that I share for free, right? And if you're part of the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, there's a set list of criteria that in the Start Here section I've shared and allowed you guys to understand, what is it that I like my stocks to meet before taking a position. But how is that beneficial for you? So we put together this criteria checklist, and the reason that we're doing this is because I want to make sure that every single time before you take a position that you simply go down the list of criteria that I'm sharing with you, and then on top of that you can add to this list that meets your specific needs, your specific values that every single stock has to meet. It's as simple as that. Right? It's a set list of criteria. Why is it important, right, for a stock to meet a set list of criteria? Well, answer this, right? Will a real estate investor, an individual that invests in real estate, in properties, will he buy every single property, right, in the United States? Most likely not, right? Because the opportunity cost, or his set list of criteria, right, the opportunity cost isn't worth it. Right? Maybe the house doesn't offer enough margin of profit. Maybe it's a little bit more on the overbought side, and it's not so much of a good deal. Same things with stocks. How is that any different? But yet, how many of you guys have made the mistake that, hey, a stock should be showing signs of an uptrend before I take a position? But yet we still take positions sometimes on something that's showing signs of a continuous downtrend. We shouldn't invest in pump and dumps. Yet some people still have FOMO, fear of missing out, and still take positions. So all this criteria checklist is to hold yourself accountable. So every single time that you want to take a position, all you have to do is, because you're going to print it out, right? Or you're at least going to have it in your computer, that it's put together in a very nice format that will allow you to simply review every single best practice, indicator, and overall confirmation that that specific stock has to meet based on your standards before taking a position. That's all. There's so many things that we're thinking of. If you're a full-time student, if you're a worker, there's so many things that you have going on in your head. And especially when emotions can come into play, this checklist is only going to make it that much easier to remind yourself that, hey, this is what I put together that every stock has to meet before taking a position. And I should listen to myself, because when I wrote this, there was no emotions. But now that I'm about or wanting to take this position, I might be a little bit more emotional on why I want to invest in this company. And it might not meet my set list of criteria, so maybe I might want to hold back. And that's simply just it. So again, if you want access to this PDF, again, of the Learn, Plan, Profit criteria checklist, all you guys have to do is click that link down in the description. That's all. It's 100% for free. I think you just have to put in your email. We will send you the PDF copy, and it's as simple as that. On top of that, just to give you guys a huge thanks, it was a huge hit last month, and it's my live free trading. So you guys all know that those that are enrolled in my Learn, Plan, Profit community get to watch me trade live. They get to see me invest in the stock market live every single morning, right? So what we did last month is we gave on one day, right, the people access to be able to watch me trade live in the stock market. So by clicking that link in the description and putting in your email, you automatically save your spot for October 19th to be able to watch me trade live and investing in the stock market. Again, it's 100% for free, so if you want to tune in, great. If you don't, then guess what? You don't have to tune in. But I really hope that by October 19th, you guys can have a set list of questions that you want to ask me when I'm trading live to better guide you guys in the right direction. So it's as simple as that. Click the link down below. You'll get access to the Learn, Plan, Profit criteria checklist, and then you'll also get the ability and save your spot for my free live trading on October 19th. Like always, guys, continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. We'll see you guys on October 19th. If you guys like this video, we'd really appreciate the thumbs up. All the links are down below to stay connected. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.
I'm on a new level. 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 Brought me a new shovel.